Everybody say, don't go there. Don't go. Go Italy. My name is Hiroshi Ito. I coming from Japan, but I'm like now living in the Montreal the 3 years. I'm Italian chef too. KojItalian is like a Italian fusion and Koji mixing together. Koji is like a fermentation rice or beans, and but the key of the Japanese food.
You actually grow your own koji.
Yeah, I'm growing the koji.
Okay. How did you get the idea of fusing this very Japanese ingredient with Italian food?
I feel like so many friends in Italy,
Yes.
but couldn't speak the language, but make the friends.
I see. Okay.
That's I exciting the travel, meeting some friends. It's but first time meeting, but like a feeling.
Yes, yes. So really a connection, like
Yeah.
from the heart. I was invited for an awesome pop-up that Hiroshi's having here in Montreal.
Thank you for coming the KojItalian. KojItalian is like a Italian fusion, and Koji mixing together is a fusion course. My name is Hiroshi Ito. I coming from Japan, but I'm like now living in the Montreal the 3 years. And yeah, we doing the pop-ups sometimes, like 1 month at one times, doing the KojItalian. And yeah, because I'm making the koji for myself, I have to do something using my stuff for the Italian food because I'm Italian chef too. Yeah.
For those less familiar, explain what is koji and maybe what's the importance of koji in Japanese cuisine?
Yeah. Koji is the most key of the Japanese cuisine and also Japanese food. Because koji is like a fermentation rice or beans, and but the key of the Japanese food. Koji from the miso, sake, soy sauce, and mirin, and pickles. Yeah, a lot of things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So koji is like is it a fungus?
Yeah,
Or
fungus.
It's a fungus that,
Yeah.
that is used for all these things that you mentioned.
Yep.
Okay. And so it will be a key feature in today's pop-up menu?
Yep. I grew up the koji natural yeast.
So you actually grow your own koji?
Yeah, I'm growing the koji.
Okay.
And I using the rice koji
Okay.
and wheat koji and spirit koji
Uh-huh.
and raisin koji. No, raisin yeast.
Okay. Yeast.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Whole kind of the yeast is mixing together,
Mhm.
but it's everything natural.
Yes.
And I grew up for myself with almost 4 years.
How did you get the idea of fusing this very Japanese ingredient with Italian food? Why did you decide to do that?
These things is because I do that using everything local things,
Mm-hmm.
everything here, and so I check the season first and ingredients is find it. After it's I making the Italian menu,
Mm-hmm.
and after it how to mixing the koji.
Yes.
Yeah, that things key of the point. But the koji is some people say that's more feeling the koji, but the koji is always behind. It's not so. It's a main character.
I see.
Yeah, always helping the something or even the sake too. Can feel in the koji, but not so strong.
Mm-hmm.
If you strong the koji is like a mushroom. It smells so strong. Yeah.
I see.
Mhm.
So it's sort of in the background. It helps bring the dish, but it's not
Yeah.
the key.
Yeah, like for me, using the cheese for the Italian like a spaghetti.
Yes.
Instead like a miso.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
like the same things. The fermentation, the beans or milk.
Uh huh.
Very similar. Yeah, and it's just mind changing is good for the making the under my experience too. It's yeah, that's the three things mixing together. It's making the course. Yeah, making the dish always. Yeah.
It's not only Italian. You're not bound by just one cuisine. You like to sort of explore
Yeah.
the different
Mhm.
cuisines.
Yeah. because it's at first I do the French cuisine,
Okay.
and I went to the French restaurant. That one is very classic. Except to me, everybody worked in France.
Okay.
For me, I didn't went to France, and I was so stressful because it's so many coworker told me you have to do that. It's like a French like that, but I can't understand about in France.
Okay.
So yeah, I was so jealous about I have to go in France. I learned to the French cuisine.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And so did you end up going?
Oh no.
No.
Yeah. Finally, I saved the money. That time I have Nagano Olympic Games.
Okay, yes.
And I work in the restaurant and restaurant hotel. That place coming the Italian ski team.
Okay.
And two Italian chefs is coming together and working the same time. And,
Yes.
they told me what are you doing after the Olympic Games? I said I want to go to the France,
Uh-huh.
but French and Italy is like a not friendly.
Right, a little bit of a rivalry.
Yeah, rivalry. Yeah. I said I'm going in France. Everybody said, "Don't go there. Don't go. Go Italy. I have a place. Come to my place." That's it. So I choose go to the Italy,
Okay.
and I changed that mind. I doing the Italian cuisine. Yeah.
Okay. And where did you go to Italy?
I went to the Verona.
Verona. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
And so you had classical French training in Japan,
Yeah.
but then you also went to get classical Italian training actually in Italy.
Yeah.
I see.
And after I start mixing, and also that time I couldn't speak any language.
Uh-huh.
I already speak English, but for the school.
Yes.
But Japanese level is so poor.
Uh-huh.
And I went to the Italy, but I couldn't speak any language. But fortunately, the 2 months after, I start to speak the Italian
Okay.
because everybody around us speaks the Italian.
Right, you had no choice.
No choice. And Italian is not so hard for me.
Mm-hmm.
And I start speaking, and after back to Japan. But I feel like so many friends in Italy,
Yes.
but couldn't speak the language, but make the friends.
I see. Okay.
That's I exciting the traveling after.
Right, right.
Yeah, meeting some friends. It's but first time meeting, but like a feeling.
Yes, yes. So really a connection, like
Yeah.
the heart kind of.
Mhm.
Is the Italian cuisine really sort of the foundation of the way you like to cook in the end?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I have a lot of experience in Japan.
Mm-hmm.
It's 5-6 restaurants
Mhm.
working, and also high-end restaurant and popular restaurant too.
Uh-huh.
And that's a good experience for me. But I wanna try for myself for the overseas.
Mm-hmm.
And it's especially Canada is I love to do that.
Mm-hmm.
And and back to again the Canada.
And now in Montreal, do you enjoy being in Montreal? Because obviously there's the French culture. We also have a strong Italian community here.
Yeah,
So do you feel kind of more connection like
yeah,
that?
it's perfect for me. Especially my area has Italian area, and sometimes speaks Italian, and sometimes I learn to the Italian French word too.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. And of course, can use in the English is perfect for me right now. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, like now I need more French.
More French, okay.
Yeah.
Can we have a sneak peek at what is...
It's already perhaps main course for our vegetable. It's eggplant and this is a tromboncino. It's like a kind of zucchini.
Okay.
It's huge. It's like a 5 or 6 kilo.
Wow.
One piece, yeah.
Okay. And does it taste? It tastes like zucchini or a little different?
Like a squash.
Like a squash.
Very interesting.
Okay. Okay. Looking forward to try that.
And this is yellow beets and
What is this? Sorry.
yellow beets.
Okay. Yellow
Yeah.
beets. Yes. Okay.
And yeah, also after more coming.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Well, looking forward to trying all that delicious food coming up. Thanks for the little introduction, and
Thank you too.
I'll let you actually prepare. Stop bothering you. Okay. Thank you very much, Hiroshi.
Thank you so much.
ありがとうございます。